Hi everybody, good morning. Coffee together. I love chatting with investors. I love the comments, I love the DMs, so keep them coming. In residential real estate, there are two sides of the same coin. Those that believe in real estate and those that don't. Is residential real estate an investment? Well, some people say not. I say it is. There are two sides to this coin, and for me, both sides are a yes. I like to think of it like this. What happens if you purchased a property and it never, ever grew in value? Never. And if it never grew in value, you live there your whole life, or not even your whole life. But after 20 years or whatever you've paid it off, the worst thing that can happen is you sit with a paid for property. You live for free, you live well, you don't have to pay for your home where you're living. It's not a bad deal. You can't live in art, you can't live in a Bitcoin, you can't live in a share. So possibly would it not have been better to have bought two? What happens if you'd bought more? You would have had an income as well. Happy investing.